Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Aries. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Aries. Today I'll be picking one card for your moon energies, guys. This is the card. I will leave it here. And one card from the fortune cookie deck. So that will be our lucky inspiration for today, Aries. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys, Aries. So let's start with these cards here. We have Two of Cups, Sun, King of Swords in reverse. So, in your situation, guys, Aries, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, today you are, what to say, feeling really worried or anxious about something, maybe because you are someone courageous, strong, determined, and you want to move towards your dreams and goals. You have a lot of plans for your future and you're working towards those plans, working towards your future. But today, there are people, maybe in your work situation, there are people who do not see your vision or who do not share your vision. So they act uh, like someone obstructing your growth, or they are something like an obstacle today for you, challenging you, opposing you in some ways, maybe deep down in their heart of hearts. Their intentions may not be good, guys, Aries. So you need to be careful if you have such people in your work circumstances. You need to stay away from them. You should not reveal maybe your work related decisions or choices, whatever you make. You should not reveal those to these people, guys, because they may try to work against you, Aries. And in your relationship, guys, I see that you are someone really happy. Maybe happy because you have mutual love, understanding, trust with this person. You love them and they love you. And there is a great intimacy and harmony in this relationship. And maybe for some of you, if you have some doubts on this person, if you feel that their intentions are not good, maybe they are not the person to be trusted, with these cards I can say, tell you definitely that this person is really loving and caring, guys. And maybe they are not revealing their heart because maybe for some of you this is a new relationship and they do not know about you clearly. So once they know you uh, intimately, they will love you. And the Sun card is something really positive, guys. Positive because whatever negative circumstances you are in today, all that is resolving, guys. So in your relationship, whatever problems you have, all that is resolving for you all today. And this relationship is moving towards marriage or a greater commitment. So this person really loves you, and this may be a true love, guys, you have with this person. A very positive set of cards here. There may be something, some minor problems may be there, but all that is going to resolve. That is what I see with these cards. So for your relationship, we picked one card, and it is Seven of Cups. So you have a lot of dreams about this relationship. Maybe you are dreaming too much, maybe. And for some of you, it may just be um, your imagination, whatever we see. So maybe you are dreaming about this love and you feel that you have a very good understanding, whatever it is. It may be your dream about this relationship. But with these sets of cards here, I can say that even those dreams are coming into reality today, guys. So maybe you are dreaming, and maybe you are dreaming of true love. Maybe you are single today, but you will find the right person, the person with whom you will have a beautiful, deep relationship, guys, Aries. Or if you are already in a connection and you have some issues, unresolved issues in this relationship, all that is falling into place, and even your dreams of future will come true, guys, Aries. So that is the energy with this card, guys, Aries. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We picked one card, Page of Wands. So looks like in your work situation there is a new beginning, a happy news coming your way, and some projects or some beginning is there for you today. And your circumstances are changing, guys. Something good, something positive, some good message. Maybe you are expecting an answer or expecting a reply for some projects or assignments, whatever it is, you are getting that reply today, guys. So for your moon energies, Aries, we pick this card. Work through your fears, new moon in Scorpio. So with this card today, it just means that in your circumstances, there is something like a rebirth today. Something's changing, something so dramatic. And these changes are something deep and something that is transforming you inside out. So you are changing so much emotionally and spiritually. And maybe if you are in a connection, this is the time for a greater intimacy and understanding, guys. Or if you are, what to say, having a lot of unresolved issues with this person, whatever grudges or jealousy, whatever it may be, guys, all those negative, toxic emotions, you must give all that up and transform yourself. That is what this card is about. And you need to do it right now, guys. Work through your darker side, those darker emotions. Try to change it. That is going to help you today, guys, Aries. So that is the energy with this card, Aries. So for your fortune cookie, let's see what it is. Jealousy. Watch who you trust with your personal secrets and plans. Spend time outdoors with nature to reconnect and replenish. Such an apt fortune cookie. Just now we were talking about jealousy. So that is your lucky inspiration, guys, for y'all today. So everything is falling into place, Aries. No need to worry. That is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.